this is typically the garage, but it's the sales center right now. You've got the 2 front bedrooms that share this full bath. And we'll keep going down the hall. A coat closet. So this would be the door to the garage. That's the office right now. Got your laundry room. The air conditioner closet. Another bedroom. It's got its own full bath. And now into the main living space. You got plenty of room for a large dining room table right here. It's an open floor plan. Nice big island and plenty of cabinets. There's your pantry. They've got a covered lanai on this one. And then you've got the owner's suite. So you come in, you have a big walk-in closet. Water closet. One of my favorite things about this community, which there are many, but every home that they're building right now, this is what the back looks like. You've got conservation on one side of the road, and then on the other side of the road, it's where the golf course was, and it's been decommissioned. So lots of green space, and with the golf course are sidewalks all over that were designed for the golf carts. So plenty of space to walk and just lots of nature in this community. It's really beautiful. One of the things that people don't like about new construction is the lack of mature trees in the neighborhood. And because this community has been established, and these are lots that just are were never built on in the back that are now being filled in, you've really got all the beautiful character of an established community, but then a brand new home. So one thing I noticed too that I want to show you real quick is on this model, at least the Slate, the AC is over here, which is the living room. It's not below your bedroom window in any of the bedrooms, which sometimes that's, after the fact when you move in, you don't notice it until then. But if this is outside your bedroom window, it can annoy people. So, really beautiful home.